Welcome to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about Future Skills Prime. It is a joint initiative by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, and the IT industry led by NASSCOM. The Future Skills Prime platform is offering courses on emerging technologies as well as professional skills and has the potential to increase the employability of the learner. So what we are going to see in this video? We are going to know about massive digital opportunity. We will meet Future Skills Prime platform. Who is this for? Why Future Skills Prime is needed? What are the courses and who are the partners? So let us start with the question, what exactly is the massive digital opportunity? Are you ready for the massive digital opportunity? Opportunity for India by 2025, $1 trillion. 1.3 million upcoming jobs are coming. 20 times demand for digital skills by 2024. In 2024, the demand for talent in artificial intelligence will grow by 38%, with 8,30,000 estimated open positions. From 15,000 open positions in 2020, the demand for talent in cybersecurity will rise to 76,000 in 2024. 46% rise in the demand for machine learning engineers by 2024. The demand for application security analysts will grow by 44% by 2024. Now, what exactly Future Skills Prime is? A skilling ecosystem focused on emerging technologies, powered by a partnership between the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, NASSCOM, and the IT industry. It seeks to propel India to become a global hub of talent in these emerging technologies. Who is this for? Whether you are an IT, manufacturing, healthcare, telecom, banking, agribusiness, automotive, or any other sector's expert, you need to understand the impact of digital technologies. So this platform is for employees in non-IT companies, people aspiring to use the new technologies, people who want to update their skills, fresh recruits as well. Why Future Skills Prime? So let us see. First of its kind government and industry partnership to drive a national skilling ecosystem for the digital technologies. End-to-end skilling from assessment to certification. Affordable, credible content hand-picked by industry leaders. Speed up learning with bite-sized course modules. Certifications recognized by industry. What are the courses? At present, the contents on Prime platform are comprising of expert curated pathways on the 10 emerging technologies and 10 professional skills, as well as foundation and competency aligned programs on artificial intelligence, big data, cybersecurity are available free to access. What are the emerging technologies? So, artificial intelligence, blockchain, big data analytics, cloud computing, cybersecurity, Internet of Things, mobile technology, robotics process automation, virtual reality, 3D printing. And what are the professional skills? Problem solving, design thinking, continuous learning, communication and storytelling, collaboration, project management, product management, program management, digital leadership, and negotiation and influencing. Who are the partners? You can see the government, MIT, NASSCOM, CDAC, NIELIT, Skill India, and industry and training and content partners are as well. You can see here Program supporters are National Skill Development Corporation and AICTE. What you have to do? Just go to futureskillsprime.in, sign up and start learning for free. References: this website, all the data are available. You can visit this website and start learning. Thank you for watching this video.